stop whatever you're doing, put this on full screen and watch this video.
Oh, love, where do you want to go?
My mates. Yes, my mates.
Well, I don't know where your mate is.
Oh, Cockbusters Road.
Okay.
And can you go the short way, please? I don't want to go the long way, so don't try and diss me out of some money. Yeah, go the short way. Hello?
Yeah,
Hi, you alright? Yeah, I'm on the phone. Yeah, how you doing? Yeah, I'm alright, you know. I've had a good morning. Yeah. I got this real nice dress. Yeah, I know the security guard kept watching me. I thought, shit, am I going to get it or not? Because if I didn't get it, then I'm going to lose out on like 200 quid. Yeah, I know. And I had to literally run from the shop. The security guard was like, he knew my game. He knew that I was up to something. Yeah, I know. But anyway, I'll be with you in like 15 minutes. Yeah. Alright, I've got the dress to make sure the girl's got the money. Alright. Bye. Can you just stop here, please? Can you just stop here?
You want to get out here?
Yeah. But how much is that?
That's 15 quid, love.
Oh, is it? Well, I'm paying.
Wait, you little yeah. Get in there.
I ain't paying. This is kidnapping.
Right.
I shouldn't be here. What are you doing? I'm calling the police.
You're calling the police?
Yes.
And I'll tell them you've done a runner and that you owe me money.
Prove it.
See there? And there? Security cameras. Recording. So you can stop being a gobby little You're on camera doing a runner and I can prove it. So I'm taking you to the police station.
Oh, no. Don't take me to the police station. I've just come off tag. I do not want that bracelet around my ankle.
What can I do?
I'll do anything, literally.
I don't give I'm taking you I'm taking you to the police station.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
So she just escaped from the taxi like that, but the man chased after her, pulled her back into the taxi and asked her for the money. But the girl did not want to pay it, so she offered something like other than money. But the man refused and wanted to send her to jail, and he did. Well, he doesn't show he specifically sent him to jail, but from the video we can assume that way. And what I like from the video is that the man is very principled. He is very stoic. He handles the situation like a real man. Why? He's fast and he is strong. He can chase after the girl and pull her back into the taxi, which means he is capable of violence. He's capable of his strength to create violence, but he does not use the violence unless it's needed. And in this case, it's not needed. He doesn't use his violence, but he uses his strength accordingly to get what he wants. Get the girl to pay back him. You see, he's capable of violence, but he does not commit the violence, which makes a real man. If you're not capable of violence, you are not virtuous. Only a man who is capable of violence and does not commit his violence unless needed, he is the real respected man. He is very principled. You can see from the video, the girl offered him something other than the money. We all can suspect it might be some low job or one night stand. I don't know, but he has a principle. He is not easily influenced by the emotions of a girl or a woman. He's very principled. He wants to send the girl to the jail and he sends her to the jail. He does not comply with other payments other than cash to get what he wants. And I respect this a lot. He maybe have kids at home, wife, he still thinks about his family. That's number one well-respected man. He's very firm, assertive, with what he wants to do. He wants to send the girl to the jail, and he did. Well done. If you want to be respected like this man, click this video, watch this series, and until then, take care and be a f***ing god.